Sorry, I actually stopped the other video, but look at that. It's cool. Squish it. Squish. It's like squishy. It's cool. Makes your hands black though. A white smoke bomb. The blue one was cool how it was blue.
I know, huh?
Oh, this stuff is really cool. It's fun to play in, but it gets your hands all messy. Let's watch this smoke bomb, see how it works. See, there's the smoke coming off.
There's a lot of smoke this time.
It's fun to dance through the smoke when there's a lot. I can't see you. Hi, Dad.
Right, up.
Sorry. I'll just get your shirt. Oh yeah, happy birthday, Dad.
Thank you.
That's from YouTube too. Love you.
Love you.
Peace. YouTube, like and subscribe.